The streets are calling. They want you back, and the prison beds are not full, family. I just want to share a small story with y'all because it literally has been on my mind the last 24 hours. I've been just thinking about this. I got a call, and I'm gonna say I got a call from the streets because it's the street life, and we know what evolves in the street life, the black market, etc. So I was getting this call, to get me over to the street life. I got a great opportunity. I know you a go-getter. I know you are like this. I got a lot of it. We can make a lot of money. Come on this side. I've been on that side, fam. I've been on that side, and you know what I told the guy? I said, fam, I'm good. The stuff that I'm trying to get in my life right now, I am good. I'm sitting on 6 figures, career. I'm building my business. I'm working with kids. I'm working on myself. Fam, I'm good. And if I do anything now, it's literally straight by the books. You know what I mean? I ain't with the BS, fam. Period. I ain't with it. I was like, when it comes to the street life, fam, I just saluted. I've been there. I done that. I got a T-shirt. I don't even wear it quite often, to be honest with you, fam. So I let it go, fam, and I just let them know that I'm good. And you know what the gentleman said at the end of the conversation? He was like, man, I'm proud of you. I'm glad everything good. And we literally got to talking about something completely off subject than what we was talking about. And that conversation was over with, fam. And I've been thinking about it for the last, like I say, up to 24 hours now. And your old ways will always be waiting on you, fam. The people that you used to hang out with that haven't went nowhere, they still there, fam. That block's still there, fam. So if you're gonna be growing as an individual, certain things you just gotta let go, fam. I can't do what I was doing in my 20s, in my 40s, fam. Like, I can't, it's not sane, it's not logical, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not doing it. You know what I'm saying? It's just not happening. You know what I mean? I don't want to repeat those errors and those mistakes. At one point in time, family, I was blind. I didn't know no better. And I did, what I thought was right. And I did what I just wanted to do, But now, fam, time is running out. I don't know how much time I got. So I would rather enjoy it, being free and figuring out ways to have relationships with my son and help people, fam. I'm cool with it. I enjoy teaching. I enjoy aiding and assisting people, fam. So I'm cool at where I'm at in my life. I still got some areas I need to work on, don't get me wrong. I'm not rich by no means, but I'm knocking on the door though. I'm trying to get there, you know what I mean? I'm trying to come up with some products, but I do know this. I know I ain't gonna get there off of work, a job. Nah, it's gonna be my work ethics. It's gonna be my business ventures. It's gonna be my products. I realize the game now. I got to have products over talent. I understand. But the wrong product can encage your talent, family. The wrong product can put you in jail forever. And in Arkansas, they just made a new law. Their goal is to lock you up forever and ever and ever. You know what I mean? If you catch a charge, they want you to do all of your time. No matter what the situation is, And I honestly don't think it's geared up around our people. It's to keep us in bondage, keep us in chains, just keep us paying somebody else's mortgage and funding somebody else's career and starting someone else's business off of our blood, sweat, and tears, fam. And I'm just good, fam. So when the streets call you, fam, because they will call you once you left and you done and you said, you know what, I don't do that no more. They gonna call you to check on you. They gonna throw some bait in front of you to see, let's see if he's still fishing. See if he's still playing around some. So fam, when you say it's over, it's over. And I will say this, the devil will bless you, just like God will. Only God allow his to be over time. The devil will bless you instantly, and you'll lose it the same way he bless you with it, instantly. Hold on.